Okay, so the very final thing that we still need to assemble is we need to add two nuts onto the bottom of our brass rod, the threaded part of the brass rod, and that will basically hold everything together. So to do that, you'll be glad to hear that you don't need to design and make the nut. Okay, there's actually standard components already on Fusion 360. Your nut that you need to import is in the shared folder with all the drawings in it. To do that, so if you go back into your data panel, and if you click upload, select files, and you can choose, so wherever you've downloaded the file to, it's the M5 nut step file. Click open and upload, and it will now upload this file, so this is already a 3D CAD file, into your lamp project folder. So that's a component that you can now use. Okay, so it's now been uploaded. Now what you're going to do is if you select that, right click and insert into current design, it will now bring the nut into your design as a component. So you'll see it's been added on to the bottom here. Now at the minute, that's not in the right orientation. We need to turn it 90 degrees. So, I mean, you could turn everything off. Oops. Apart from this, and you'll see that we can actually adjust this. So figure out which one it is that you need to turn. So if I go back to here, turn these on again, we'll just get rid of some of these. Okay, so we need to turn it this way by 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees, hit enter. And then you're also going to make a copy of that, because we need two of them. So create copy, and probably want to drag it out to here. Okay, so now we can turn everything back on again. Okay, so actually we probably didn't want to turn everything back on. Let's just move these. So if we right click, move, and drag it all the way out. So it's out here. We'll do the same with this one. We'll right click, move. We're going to drag it all the way out here, just so you can see it. Okay, so final bit, we're now going to assemble these. So we're going to go to assemble joint, capture position. We're going to choose this inside edge. And same as we did before, you need to look on the underside. You're going to choose. Okay, and you can see it sliding on. Obviously it wouldn't slide, it would screw on. Return to the sideways view, and that's going to move up so that it's touching the top. So that's going to be, I think, probably, what do you reckon this is going to be? I think probably 0. That's going to be 1 millimeter, I think. Yeah, perfect. So move it up by 1 millimeter. Hit enter. And that is that one in. Now I'm going to do the same with the other one. So we're going to choose assemble joint, and pick that inside circle, pick the underside. Okay. And then again, you're probably going to want to look at it from the side. Move it up by, I think, probably 1 again. Yep, so 1 millimeter. Hit enter. And those joints, you might want to put those as, so if we edited this joint, so again on the timeline, edit joint. So rather than it being a slider, this could be a revolute. Okay, this could be one that basically revolves. So that's probably a better one for that. But okay, we do the same with the other joint. That was revolve. Okay. This is your timeline, by the way. So if you go back in time here, you can see all the things disappear from before. And that is it. Everything is assembled. We can now go back to here. We can change our display settings to just shaded. You can see what it would roughly look like. click save. Okay. Now you need to make sure that you give this time to sync, so you can see the little blue bit turning. You need to make sure it syncs, because it syncs on the cloud. So if you just quit the program quickly or close your laptop, it might not actually save it onto the cloud, in which case you have to do everything again. So just be wary of that. Okay, that's you done. Well done, everyone.